Hi, Karen.
Hello, Jano.
Hello.
Happy New Year and my dear, my deepest condolences to
Thank you.
Okay, eto muna tayo ha. So,
Uy.
lagi kong biro to, bahay ko to, hindi ko po siya bahay. Pero may handa ako para sa'yo. Right?
Sarap
Kumain ka na
naman.
ba?
Hindi pa.
Oo, pero okay to. So we have salad and we have
Nice,
some food here. Yun. So how was
Ganda
your
ng
New Year?
place, ha?
Maganda place.
Ganda,
Ang ganda
ganda.
niya. Look at
Love
that.
it.
Ang ganda,
Oo.
di ba?
Ikinagulat ng mundo ng showbiz,
Screen veteran Ronaldo Valdez.
Pumanaw na po ang veteranong aktor na si Ronaldo Valdez sa edad na 76.
Gibang-gibaran kami.
He truly will be missed.
Ayoko na mangyari sa ibang tao itong nangyari sa akin.
Jano, masasabing masalimuot ang pagpasok ng bagong taon sa'yo.
Yes.
Kamusta ka na ngayon?
Holding up well, I would say. Traveling helped a lot with the whole family. Kasi after my dad passed, we had this out of the country trip planned already beforehand. Tapos when this happened, one of my kids said, "Huwag na natin tuloy dahil this happened." Sabi ko, no. The more we should go through with it kasi we need to breathe. And so quick lang yung wake and then we left na.
Maraming nagsabi, bakit itinuloy yun ni Jano? Hindi ba dapat nagluluksa siya? Ang sakit nun, ah.
I had my bashings.
Yeah.
Aside from that, I posted pa of myself dancing sa Japan. One, madami naman nag-defend sa akin na, hey, kanya-kanya tayo ng ways of grieving. Gano'n. Second, I also don't want to use our grief for likes and So I wanted to show a lighter side, the usual me.
Pero siguro ang hindi alam ng ilan, nakatira sa'yo ang tatay
Yes.
mo at nakita mo na may sakit siya ng matagal.
Yes. I've said this naman, I think once. The people who know both my parents know they separated late last year. So after that, I asked my dad to stay with me na para hindi siya mag-isa, di ba?
Pero ganun kayo ka-close?
Yeah. Either way, I would have asked my mom also, but she had a place to stay. My dad didn't, so sabi ko, sa akin ka na tumira para maalagaan kita. His condition started, it was getting hard for him to walk. Na-notice yun nung sa ABS, yung Too Good to Be True. Si Jelly even called me, one of the cast, Jano, your dad's, having a hard time walking and ganun. So it started then got worse and worse until recently, nandun siya sa premiere ni Catherine, yung Very Good Girl.
Thank you for coming. Kala ko.
I love you and I miss you.
I love you. I miss you more.
He was in a, mobile,
At ano ang diagnosis niya at that point?
nakitaan sa cervical. He was going to, parang ipit lang siguro. Matigas ulo ng daddy ko. So, kung saan-saan doctor kami, he refused to do MRIs. He hated that. But napilit ko rin. He was up for surgery. Sabi ko, after the holidays na. Para enjoy mo na yun. Alam nga naman nasa hospital
Compressed
ka.
spine?
I'm not sure,
Okay.
but parang ipit lang. Just the right leg. No pain, but it was getting harder and harder to move.
Ayoko ng chemo. Pagkatapos makakalbo ko? Turn off naman sa nanay niyo yun pag nagkita kami doon.
Ano sa kondisyon niya ang nakapagpa-depress sa kanya ng ganon?
Mga days before what happened, parang it was getting even worse. Kasi my dad loved to make pasyal with me, with his friends, even with my mom before. So, days before, medyo when I made him yaya na, halika, merenda tayo sa... Wag na, medyo sumasama yung...
Pero
so
may,
I think
may cancer ba siya?
No, that was cured already. He had prostate
Oo. So, hindi yun ang
cancer.
dahilan?
No.
So, Jano, ibig mo sabihin, until the time he died, walang specific diagnosis ng kondisyon niya. He was up for surgery. He
Yeah.
had parang a compressed spine.
Yeah.
Yun.
Yeah, that was it. Siguro, because it was getting worse, parang hindi na niya ma-enjoy yung, hindi siya yung type na would sit still and stay home and then
But at any point, nakitaan mo ba siya ng he was a depressive person, malungkutin?
Hindi. He's actually the comedian in real life. Then baliktad kami. I'm the comedian on screen, but I'm the serious one in person. Siya naman baliktad sa tunay na buhay, sa set. Siya yung comedian.
Kahit kailan di ako nagsisi. Nawala ang pangarap ko dahil pinili kita. Hindi ko maintindihan!
Wala nang hihigit pa sa feeling of happiness.
Jano, wala bang iniwang sulat ang tatay mo or kahit man lang mensahe?
May mga vlogs nga that said, may Melissa and Jano, pinag-aagawan ng last will. Wala pong iniwan na last will lang. I think it was spontaneous. I think he had a bad day or he was having bad days and he wanted to go in his own terms.
And walang
Parang
tao
ganun.
sa bahay?
No, I was there.
Jano!
I was in the next room and I think he even made sure I was sleeping. He knocked on my door. I was sleeping. I was taking a nap hapon, afternoon. Oh, hindi ba tuloy yung lakad mo? Sabi ko, tuloy. Kaya lang wala pa yung car. Wala pa yung driver. Okay. Sige. Eh, sabi ko, idlip muna ako. Okay. So I think he made sure that I was sleeping. Siguro, it was enough for him na at least tulog naman. Sabi ko kasi dinala ni Bing yung driver. Sinong driver? Driver natin or somebody else? Driver natin. So parang, okay, walang tao. Parang ganun.
Looking back, pananaw mo, pinaplano na niya yung hapon na yon.
No, and we learned this after the hospital, after he passed na. We learned he posted on Facebook. I took it down because it was morbid. Life is not fun anymore. Goodbye. Ganon. Meron siyang
And you
ganon.
didn't see that?
We did see that. When I got hold of his phone, I deleted it kasi hindi maganda.
Oo.
Hindi maganda.
I do not wish this on anybody else. That's why I'm doing this. Ayoko nang mangyari sa ibang tao itong nangyari sa amin.
Mabuti kang anak, inalagaan mo ang ama mo. But do you feel misunderstood that people don't see your heart for who you really are?
They didn't even know that he was living with me. Parang pinabayaan. Bakit naman, may nag-comment pa, bakit naman pinabayaan ni Jano yung ba't pinabayaan ng pamilya? Of course not. People are so, judging.
Yeah.
They think they know you from,
Pero in 2020, you shared this naman in an interview na ang relasyon nyo ni Bing bilang mag-asawa,
Yeah.
you were sleeping in separate bedrooms. What is your relationship like today?
It has drastically changed. We are now sleeping together again. You see, ang nakakita lang sa state ng dad ko, that horrible state, was me and Bing. So, I cannot leave Bing alone now for a long time. I have to come back kaagad. Ako rin, hindi rin niya pwedeng iwanan. So, actually, the whole family, even the kids, don't want to be alone. And they don't want to be near that house.
So saan kayo nakatira ngayon, if you don't mind?
Yeah, we're staying somewhere else.
Oo.
Yeah.
Naisip mo ba bilang lalaki, wait, now I value Bing more than ever?
Oh, yes. You know, even though we weren't in this condition, kahit na yung separate kami ng units, I never lost value for Bing. She's always been a great woman. She's always been a great wife. Kahit na hindi kami okay, she would take care of me pa rin.
I remember meeting you 20 years ago. I think nag-usap tayo at sinabi ko kay Jano noon, crush ng bayan si Bing. You remember? Kasi magkakabatch po kami. You actually married one of the most beautiful women
Parang you're surprised.
in the Philippines.
Parang
Sinabi
I
mo
don't
rin niya
deserve
noon.
it.
Sinabi mo rin niya noon. Sabi mo, Karen naman, nagugulat ka pa.
No, she could have married someone taller and but yeah.
You have 2 kids.
Yeah.
Now, 2 girls.
2 girls. One is married already.
Yeah.
She's staying in Singapore. She lives in Singapore because of the husband. Pinoy din yung husband. One is here.
Both of your girls, do you want them to enter showbiz?
Actually, yeah, gusto ko
You do?
Si Chi, the one who had a collab with Nike, used to appear in movies with me, in Pedro Pinduco, and we had a movie kaming tatlo ni Bing together. But they have, yung bunso ko ayaw mag-artista. Nababadoyan siya eh. Parang, please! Ganon. So, and the other one naman is busy na. So, I fully support what they want.
When you were much younger, para kang singer, matinee idol, comedian
Nas-
crush. Pero as you got older, mas seryoso at opinionated na Jano.
Yeah.
Let's say, politically.
Yeah,
You were
politically.
so opinionated.
Yeah, yeah.
How did that affect you?
Showbiz is fluid naman. And they're okay with your own opinions as long as you don't use it with their help. Like, I did my first vlog or parody with Leo Martinez. That was my answer to Daryl Yap's, we're good friends. Daryl and me are good friends. But he made a spoof about Lenny, tinitira si Lenny. So, ako naman, gumawa naman ako ng sarili kong parody. So, I shot that in Viva, in the studio. They didn't know. They didn't know I shot it there. So, the next time I was asking for, can I shoot there? What's this for? Is this political? Jano, we don't mind naman your own political, but you cannot use the office for things like that lang. Until now, let's say, nagpicture kami recently ni Robin, Senator Robin. Oh, bakit nagpipicture ka with Robin? Ano yan? Duterte yan. Because, tapos na tayo dyan, di ba? Tapos na tayo dyan. The success of our president is our success. So,
Pananaw ng ilan kay Jano, masungit ka. Mainitin ba ang ulo mo?
My family knows this. Medyo mainitin ang ulo ko. I will have outbursts, pero minsan lang yan. Tsaka mas sandali lang.
Sandali lang.
But the masungit, actually, no. I'm just serious I'm not normally bubbly.
Nagka-issue kayo nung Kit Kat.
Yeah.
How are you both now?
I haven't spoken to her. That was a bad episode for me because I loved the show. I liked what we were doing. It was a small show, just a few people were watching it, but I liked it because I was with Anjo, who is my good friend till now, and Kit Kat. We had a chance to go back if we were to mend things on our own. So I reached out, but she didn't want to heed my
What's your message to her now? With everything that's happened, I mean, it's been a while.
Yeah, it's been a while. I don't hold any grudges. I'm not one to hold any grudges, so I wish her the best. Sayang lang yung we had a good show. Sayang.
Ano pa bang gusto mo gawin? Ngayon, director ka na. But let's face it, on air, you're funny. You're a good singer. You're a great host.
Thank you.
Do you want to again do a noontime show, have a daily show?
Of
Diba?
course. Yeah. One thing I got back to just this year was my singing because I left that for acting, and I think people thought I didn't want to sing anymore, so walang kumukuha sa akin sa events and So I did one event. Nagtuloy-tuloy na. I've been doing a lot of events now.
Ngayon, wala na ang ama mo. Jano, alam mo, traumatic ang nangyari rin sa'yo, as a child. I can't imagine that. How did you feel?
Guilty, no, of course, because I was taking care of him. I was with him every day, So no guilt, no questions na what if what could have been, But deeply sad about it. In Tagalog, maganda. Malagim na nga yung nangyari. And then, people added, the police, the netizens, the vloggers, put salt on our wounds. Parang ganun.
Umiyak ka na ba?
The first night of the wake, syempre, ako na yung head of the family, di ba? So, I was strong. Kala ko wala. Second day, I didn't get to go. I was wasak.
What about your mother?
Well, they have been separated, but till the end, they were still family. They were concerned about each other. Yung daddy mo, paggamot mo ha, sabi mo, patingin siya. Huwag matigas ang ulo. Tapos my dad din, musta mami mo? They would talk also once in a while, as family.
Best father in the world.
Nasabi ko eh.
Ang naiwan ng tatay mo sa'yo is bago siya namatay, you were able to direct him. Itong pelikula mo na itutumba ka ng tatay ko,
Yes.
what was he like then?
Because I wrote the story also. So I made this role talaga na naka-wheelchair na para hindi na, mahirapan. His mind was sharp, he was very energetic. He was really proud of me. Actually, since we're together at home, even before the shooting, kinukwento ko na sa kanya, ganito, gawin natin, ganito, ganyan. To direct him and to share the screen with him. That's another thing. Isang memorable dun sa shooting was confrontation scene namin, dramatic scene. So, wrote the scene. Tapos padala niya na sa daddy ko, sabi ko, sa tent. And then we saw each other sa doon na sa set. Sabi niya, sinong magaling ang nagsulat nitong dialogue na maganda? Alam mo naman, daddy ko, gano'n. So ako naman, kilig naman ako noon, syempre.
What was your relationship like with your dad? Were you always close?
He would refer to me as my best bud, gano'n, sa mga post niya, gano'n. Kasi we talk about everything. Adult na rin ako eh. And we're not very far pagdating sa age eh. He's like me and my kids. We had them young. He had me young also. So hindi ganun kalayo yung age namin eh. So we talk about girls and stuff and
Anong itinuro sa'yo ng tatay mo na ngayon...
Not the girls.
Ay, na dala-dala mo ngayon?
One was, he always said that, sabi niya, children are some of the most oppressed people. Sabi niya. Kasi nga, di ba, ang usual Filipino father, kinakatakutan, stiff, hindi sweet, di ba? Siya, he's the opposite of that. He's very sweet. He's very,
Sweet siya sa'yo.
Oo, very touching siya, I love you, gano'n ang mga text namin, beso-beso. Even at this age, and kahit lalaki to lalaki, di ba? So, I'm like that to my kids.
Bihira yun sa dad
Yeah,
at sana.
Yeah, oo. And he'd initiate it.
What will you miss most about him?
Now, hindi ko na isasama nung bata kami, but this past year that we were together, our morning breakfast, that was our time together. Aside from eating, yung kwentuhan and honest, man-to-man talk.
Meron ka bang gustong sabihin sa kanya na hindi mo nasabi?
I'd like to, if I know he's listening, so I'd like to say, I hope you're, sorry.
It's okay. Yeah.
I hope you're in a better place, no pain, and thank you for loving me.
I think it's the love that we miss, no?
Yeah.
And you think he knew that until the end?
Yes, oo. I know he knows he was loved, not just by me, by his co-actors. Si Catherine loves him so much. They loved each other very much. His grandkids loved him so much. Because nga, he was not the typical father. He was very sweet for a guy. So,
What's your
which is
song for your dad? Sige nga, short
Nako,
phrase. Short lang.
I guess it would be, hindi ko memorize but how I'd love to dance with my father again.
That's so beautiful.